I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are in Alaska. We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go. The dash cam footage that we had on our trip from the Denali area down to Anchorage was not useful, but useful because of the rain. So just decided to leave it out and just give a little bit of a narration of what our purpose was in Anchorage and staying in Centennial Park. We wanted to use that as a anchor point, and then we could drive out to various places to see things. Go down to Whittier, go to Seward, go to Independence Mine, and Keepna, and also watch the boar tide. Just all kind of things around the Anchorage area. So it just made it easy to park here in this campground. I'm going to just let you make your own opinions about the campground, as some of the footage I just show. I speed up some of it just so you can get a feel for the park ground. In case you ever wanted to stay, I have a map of the campground in here. It's called Centennial Park. And, it was a decent place to stay. We had 50 amp and 30 amp power and potable water at the site. But they had a dump station for you to dump your gray and black tanks. The fill water station was terrible. The water pressure was not very good, so it took a long time to dump. That's probably the worst thing that I could say about it. It was just the fill water for the non-potable water was slow to fill the tank. But it was very useful to stay there. Our son and daughter-in-law came to visit us, and they stayed with us here in Centennial Park, and they joined us as we visited all of these various locations. So we'll have separate videos to show you the places that we went, and just had a good time.
1 3/4 miles. Take the exit on the right to Moulton Road, then keep left.
So we're going to turn left on Boundary Avenue.
Yeah, we're going through this intersection, first left.
And then you're going to take another left right after that.
Yep.
So left and a left.
Yep.
That's convenient. They have the camper there, so at least they kind of.
Centennial Park.
That's it. I guess you have to check in.
I guess, yeah, I don't know. Well, we know what our site
You
is.
think this is it?
No, it's 4/10 of a mile.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at 8400 Starview Drive on the right.
Right on the highway.
Right on the highway.
We're used to sleeping on the highway.
Arriving at 8400 Starview Drive on the right.
Officers must check in with office staff. It's the little log cabin. So.
Let's go see. See what we got. Stiff. I hear airplanes.
But we didn't hear him inside.
This is a map of the campground, and you can see a lot of places to stay there. So it's a big park.
Well, yeah, I was looking for Mike. He said, "Where's the campsite?" And I'm like, "Well, I don't know. I got to find the map."
Well, we're 14 and you're 15, I think, right?
No, I think it's 13 and 14.
Okay, I just know, I think ours said 14.
Yeah, I think so. Did they go inside?
He went inside. Mike and Glenn did, I think. You know him?
How long are y'all here?
Pardon?
How long are y'all here?
About a week.
About a week?
Yeah, how about you?
We've got 2 more days.
2 more days.
Maybe, yeah, 2 more days.
Came a long way.
Hey, man.
Another Floridian.
Yeah. Where are you? What's that? 5.
Okay.
How is it here?
It's
Noisy.
okay. It's noisy and, well, I mean, of course, you go with that electric.
Yeah.
And my 50 amp wouldn't no good at all. Yours might be, but mine wasn't. Mine made all kinds of weird sounds when I hooked up to it.
Oh, really?
Or you just go for 30 or what?
Yeah, that's all I did. I just went 30. It's pretty cool here.
I was going to say, thank goodness we don't really need it here.
Yeah, I can run an air conditioner at 30.
I can run 2 off of it. I don't run much else, but I ain't seen much need for air conditioning around here.
Give me my phone in there, Leanne. We're going to check in.
All right,
Okay.
y'all, check in.
All right, we'll see you later. Cheryl. I'm in Cheryl.
Okay, so that's Tommy and Cheryl.
Well, I'm just going to take the truck off right now anyway.
Yeah.
There may be some shady characters in this place.
Yeah, I know. Hey, straighten up. Come on back. Got about 2 feet. All right, stop.
I want to close out this video letting you see all of the bear activity that we saw here in Centennial Park. And the clips that you're seeing are from various days. And we stayed at the park for a week. And so we saw these 2 bears. And actually, there was the third one, but it didn't stay too long. By the end of our stay, the bears had gone. They left, but they enjoyed their time around, and we enjoyed watching them. And we found out if you blow the horn at them, that they'll run away. So, but we kept our bear spray handy just in case. You never know about those bears.
2 bears in the tree. If he comes after us, we're going in that coach, okay?
It's friendly. I've been close to it.
You have?
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
Oh, they climbed this way. I think that's the little one on top. It's trying to come down.
That's crazy. Are you staying here in the tent?
Yeah, that's us right there. That whole thing
Are you afraid at night?
there. Huh?
Are you afraid at night?
Oh no, the boys, I guess they all handguns, the licensed handguns. Yeah, so they stay up all night.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's good.
yeah.
Anyway, I hope he doesn't fall out. That tree gets smaller as you get higher.
Oh, yeah, here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh, there's the other one over there.
We're gonna both make a mad dash for the door. He's coming. He's almost down. He's almost down. Just about. He's got about 2 feet. He's on the ground. find, oh, there he is. I'm on the wrong tree. Here he comes.
They're going that way.
All right, he's almost down. All right, he's down. Going away from us. Check you up for that other one. There's two, and all I'm okay. Oh, God.
This one's coming short as y'all.
Oh. What?
It's getting a drink of water.
I'm trying to get